Good morning all and welcome to DIY. Today we're starting the path job. Let's get it. Ow, not sand. Welcome to DIY. Today we're starting the path job. Finally. Got around to it. Let's get this thing going. So you remember not long ago I put a short up showing these bricks. I got them for free. I just had to tear the pillars down, knock the old mortar off them, and these bricks are actually good to go. So hopefully I've got enough. But we're going to get this area prepped today to hopefully get a concrete slab down and get these bricks laid on top, maybe by late next week. I'm going to be laying them in a herringbone pattern. Now, if you don't know what a herringbone pattern is, I'll bring you in, we'll have a look. I've just roughly set out what the pattern's going to look like, and we've also got a few minor inconveniences along this path, which if you're doing your own projects you're going to find, and you're just going to have to put in ways to mitigate such things. Anyway, I'll bring in, we'll have a look at the herringbone, and then next we'll have a look at a few of the issues with this path space.
So this pattern is called herringbone. I had to use Google to actually look up the pattern and remember how it's laid. So Google is a good friend. But this pattern will continue the whole length of the path. Should come up nicely.
Wow. So anyway, problem number one. Well, sorry, I shouldn't call it a problem, but it was a hidden surprise, put it that way. We've got a building footing. This cannot be removed. I can't cut this out. I don't want to alter it. I can see there is a layer of mortar on top that maybe we could clean off, but what I'll end up trying to do is just integrate this in with the brick path. It's an old brick path. They're old bricks. They're a little bit damaged. They're a little bit haggard, but that's the look we're going for. So that's problem number one. Let's have a look at problem number two. Second thing we've got to be very cautious of, excuse me, gas. Main incoming from the street line, regulator, gas meter, domestic service. So we're going to make the assumption that this actual gas line, incoming from our main street connection, is running as this rake handle's running, but that is only an assumption. Never assume, because this could 45, it could go anywhere, to be honest. So there is a service in Australia called DIWhy. We've all probably heard of it. If you're unsure of where services are, definitely give them a call. We're not excavating too deep. I should be pretty lucky and should be able to clean and level this up enough to get our brick height right. So I'm just going to give this a rake, get some string line, a couple of pegs, start marking out some brick heights of how high I want, one, the dirt to be, and two, where our bricks are going to finish, our top of our bricks, and see if I can level and remove a lot of this debris that was put under this concrete path before it was laid originally. I've already found tiles, like half bricks, lots of bits and pieces. So I'm just going to rake this out. Okay, as we can see, made a good progress. Started getting some string lines in just to get my brick heights, and a little bit of hard stuff in the centre, so I had to crack the pickaxe out. And I was just doing it, I knocked up this pizza, wow, it's hot out here. I knocked up this piece of quartz, and it only so happened to catch my eye. Let me put you in the tripod and I'll show you this. There's a lot of fill in here, old tiles, a lot of old bricks, which is fine. They probably packed it underneath to use. But I don't know if anyone will be able to tell me, but if I can get this to focus. Is that gold? Did I find gold? I don't know. I'll start Googling it later. But there's a few lines in it, down there. Hey, maybe I could retire now. But I thought that was pretty cool. So yeah, if anyone knows, gold in quartz. Is there any way I can test it at home? Or, any information would be appreciated. And this is where I've got to today. Got plenty of fuel cleared out of the path, roughly got my height set. But I'm actually going to ask a friend for a hand because I need to set the height for the concrete slab. And I'm having a little bit of trouble getting it right. So I think I'm going to call it a day, and it is getting hot also. Rightio, that'll do me for today. I've got a buddy coming over, gonna help me set the heights for the concrete. I'm gonna get out the hottest part of the day. Yeah, I'm gonna get out the hottest part of the day. It's pretty warm out today, so I'm gonna get out, do a little bit more this afternoon. But for now, gonna go kick my feet up. Might have a beer, but we'll see on the next one. What's the strangest thing you've ever found while digging? Bye.